Chief Election Officer V.K. Devangan says Chief Secretary is examining large-scale recruitment process in various departments. Report to be sent to Chief Election Commissioner soon. Chief Minister hopeful that people will bring Congress to power yet again in 2017 general election. Attacks NDA government of not fulfilling various promises. Prime Minister's Office and Ministry of Power intervenes on Manipur government's plan to commission Mapithil Dam. Various organizations hail the move. Transport Minister Ratan Kumar says ban on parking is still in force in market areas. Appeals cooperation from various departments and public to stop illegal parkings. And Transport Commissioner Lakshmi Kumar warns oil pumps that permits will be cancelled in case fuels are given to two-wheeler riders without helmet. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Tenshmam Sangeeta with top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Election Officer Vivek Kumar Devangan today said Chief Secretary Oinam Nabakishore is examining the large-scale recruitment process in various departments as directed by Chief Election Commissioner. Opposition political parties had complained to the Chief Election Commissioner Naseem Zaidi during his visit in Imphal recently regarding the large-scale recruitment ahead of the 2017 general election, following which Chief Election Commissioner has directed for investigation. Addressing media persons at Old Secretariat Conference Hall, CEO V.K. Devangan said Chief Secretary will soon send a report to the Chief Election Commissioner whether or not the state government has violated rules and regulations during recruitment process. CEO of Election V.K. Devangan said in case of violation, action will be taken under the guidelines of Election Commission of India. CEO added that October 21st will be the last day to include or remove names on electoral roll will be on October 21. The final electoral roll will be published on 2nd January 2017. During Gram Sabha meeting, 3,800 names were identified whose names were enrolled in different electoral rolls. CEO said 39 election returning officers will monitor the voting in 2017 general election. Last year, there were 21 election returning officers, 73 assistant returning officer and 73 electoral registration officer will help in the election process.
Political parties have raised their concern to the Election Commission that some of the departments are not following the recruitment norm. The Election Commission, in the interaction with the Chief Secretary and Commissioner Department personnel on 21st of September, they have advised Chief Secretary to examine all such recruitment which are being carried out by different departments and to find out if whether any department has violated the norms of recruitment.
Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh is hopeful that people in the hills and the valley will bring Congress government to power yet again in the 2017 general election. Chief Minister made the statement at the meeting of state-level Mahila Congress Campaign Committee at Congress Bhavan, BT Road. Chief Minister came down heavily on BJP-led NDA government at the centre. Okram Ibobi Singh said the Modi government renamed Look is policy of UPA government to Act is policy, but no work has been done even after 2 years of renaming the policy. The Chief Minister also said his government has allotted 400 acres of land for the sports university, but the central government is yet to begin work on the sports university. Accusing the centre of not keeping up to its promises, Chief Minister appealed to the people not to vote for BJP-led NDA government. Chief Minister also appealed to the Congress party workers to work hard in the district and at the block level so that Congress can retain power yet again.
Center ki Union Minister sing chalo North East chalo na moina sidaida Union Minister sing tharak pase kari anova project makoi sidaida tawkhrabage haibisi Manipur gi praja sing na dum seng na khangi National Sports University ama lingani na lauthokraga hujik phawba kari ngaibno kari gino hujik phawsi delete tawbisi kari gino khangdeba mohoi chin da dam ngangani haidam haigani thabak oina karimta tawroyeba sumai tawdana Praja Singta Namtak Taudana Oidaba Nanga Semjan Sajan Tauraga Tauba Mayam Sina Manipurgi Praja Singasi, Sumatna Bana Tauba, Suguma Central Labor, NDA BJP government say, Masi, Mayam Taja Biganu.
Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam today replied to the remark made by BJP Manipur Pradesh against Congress party, saying that Congress is just like an expired medicine. Gaikhangam mocked the opposition party, saying BJP Manipur Pradesh has been formed by unwanted people.
Ngaran Hansu and Kabat Babada Tingnay, party Karagi leader na, Congress party say expired or about Hidakni. I Nukni Hagadra, Nunung de Hagadra. Tabada yang paksadra bato expiry oibadi makoi or male Congress party ke farmers sidigi masjid hidak se matam hele sabad haksang soklani haiduna hundo khroba expired of hidak mayam do khulli bade makoi ne expire oiraba mayam na pullaga Manipur BJP party ki unit am sembi bne masa na khangangani expired oribadi Congress party na te expired of hidakti BJP.
A tribunal of Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker dismissed the petition for disqualification of MLA Dr. I. Ivo Hanbi under the 10th Scheduled Indian Constitution dated 23rd July 2014. The Speaker in a press note stated that the petition filed by Kim Gangte was without merit. He said the judgment of case number 8 for disqualification was delayed due to prior business. The Speaker also stated that the disqualification case number 9 against MLA T.S. Shyamkumar filed by MLA K.S. Joykishan Singh, case number 10 against MLA T.S. Shyamkumar by MLA T.S. Bishwajit Singh, case number 12 against MLA T.S. Shyamkumar filed by MLA Oinam Lukhoi Singh, and case number 13 filed against MLA T.S. Shyamkumar by Kim Gangte have also been dismissed. On the other hand, the disqualification case number 11 filed by MLA K. Sharat Singh against MLA T.S. Shyamkumar has been closed as the petitioner withdrew the case. Mapithil Dam Affected Villagers Organization, Housing and Land Rights Network and Center for Research and Advocacy Manipur welcomed the Prime Minister's Office and Ministry of Power intervention over the plan of government to commission Mapithil Dam. Addressing media persons today at Manipur Press Club, Chairman of Mapithil Dam Affected Villagers Organization, Dominic Kasung, said the Mapithil Dam water has submerged residential areas, schools, churches, agricultural land, forest areas of more than 2,000 hectares in Chadong village, Laufong Ramrai, Ria and Thoi village among others. The loss of land has led to food shortage. Right to food and right to education is being violated in these affected areas. Executive Director of Housing and Land Rights Network, Shivani Chaudhary, appealed to the government of Manipur to respond to the intervention from the Prime Minister's Office, Ministry of Power, to consider affected people's demand to stop commissioning of Mapithil Dam, to release the impounded water from Mapithil Dam reservoir, ensure the free flow of troubled water and end submerging agricultural land, forests and other people's livelihood sources. Institute an impartial inquiry into the corruption and manipulation involved in the rehabilitation and resettlement of Mapithil Dam affectees. She also further asked the government to resume the Expert Review Committee ERC form in 2008 and address all pending rehabilitation and resettlement of Mapithil Dam based on the findings of the ERC.
Government of Manipur responds both to the UN and to the PMO. Self-sustained communities with an adequate standard of living have been forced into poverty, hunger, malnourishment. Children cannot go to school. We have a Right to Education Act, but people have been made so poor that they cannot send their children to school. Women are starving. What is going to be the impact on pregnant women when they do not have adequate nourishment? We are going to impact future generations of children. There is no PDS system working here. There are no ration shops. We went to Chadong village, completely submerged. Hectares and hectares of farmland are gone and people have not got any kind of relief or rehabilitation. The compensation has been extremely arbitrary and most of the affected people have been left out.
The Flood Victim Demand Committee Chandel has imposed economic blockade on National Highway 102 Imphal More Road from today, demanding compensation for the flood affected victims from the state government. Many vehicles were checked on the road during the blockade. The committee has stated that the blockade will continue until the compensation is paid out.
Government blockade government na athibada akoi apamadu karino akoi aningbadu karino 2015 gi mangchiba isingi sauda hoi yum bude pire adubu huji pihaudri bise hingon mangba lau mangba returning work in thaba IVR mangba thong mangba atai to pamayam se asimas athubuda bibiu.
Transport Minister Dr. K. Ratan Kumar said the ban on parkings in the market area is not revoked by the government. Despite the ban, many private vehicles are found parking the prohibited areas, causing problems to the commuters. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, Transport Minister Dr. K. Ratan Kumar said the Transport Department is a regulatory body and it needs help of IMC, Mahut, Home Department regarding the enforcement of the rules and regulations. Citing that the traffic congestion in the city and surrounding areas is due to lack of public transport and parking lots, Minister Ratan Kumar said public awareness is needed as illegal parking is still rampant in the state. Minister Ratan Kumar said the Manipur State Transport Policy 2015 will be fully implemented in the state by next year.
Transport Department khata nataba department si akoi concerted kanoma akoi effort ama akoi changba adu tongan ba department mayam se am involved to bai tare mahut ki involved to wi adi Imphal Municipal Corporation ki akoi involved to wi adigi akoi ki home department ki involved to wi adigi akoi ki kanu ki traffic police ki asi ju home department da leire ana enforcement to matam da akoi ki Transport Department khaktana akoina madu ngamdabagi keno ama leiba akoi di regulatory keno oina akoi gi body haitare regulations de akoina keno towe ado enforce to matam dadi akoina home department gi keno changi adigi parking gi lot keno to bus matam jidana Imphal Municipal Corporation na mo akoina license pi ba khotba masi toba sigi teamwork ma haitare ayamna effectively manage to ba ma changi maswai waisi da kitang akoi gi public ki su akoi ahamba ani no nini humni yam kanna akoi drive sathari ngai dadi khara ilame adigi konadi masi amuk hanagi keno sida dum lakpa ana masidi maruina akoi public ki keno si yaudragadi akoi gi corporation yaudragadi government khatana akoi department khatana thadokpadi masi yam.
Permits of oil pumps will be cancelled in case oil pumps are found giving fuel to two-wheeler riders without helmets. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, Transport Commissioner M. Lakshmi Kumar said, following notification from the Department of Transport Ministry on 16 August 2016, no helmet, no petrol system was introduced in Manipur with effect from 1st of September. The decision was taken along with all the concerned departments of the state. Lakshmi Kumar said till 22nd September, 1,548 cases were registered for traffic offence and a sum of 3,09,800 rupees were collected in a drive taken along with traffic police and the state police.
Moruina angang sing two-wheelers have anumana angang to more quick and the way the road accident the topung tani mokoi luin thado yaro we have to enforce it. Law means law, safety means safety haraga makoi koi maming identify to who are the petrol stations who are not giving cooperation. Koi police ta traffic police ta koi enforcement staff to luin koi warning to thar petrol gangwat because this is a decision taken along with them. Logi they should be a party to it. Once we identify them, once Hanjan behave to we will take necessary action. Even it may lead to the cancellation or suspension of their permits. That we are prepared to do. Nothing doing road safety, we will not compromise.
65th death anniversary of Jananeta Hejam Irabot was today observed as State Mourn Day. The observance was organized by CPI Manipur State Council at Irawat Bhavan in BT Road. Floral tributes were paid to the statue of the Jananeta by close associates and state CPI leaders and volunteers. After the tribute, a 2-minute silence was also observed, remembering the visionary leader. Comrade M. Ibohal spoke on Jananeta's life incidents at the function. Under Jawaharlal National Mission, Manipur is aiming to produce 50 megawatt electricity from grid-connected solar power plant and 55 megawatt electricity from ground-mounted system. A public hearing was held as part of the Jawaharlal National Mission at Classic Hotel today. The theme of the public hearing was a public on determination of generic level tariff for solar rooftop projects organized by Joint Electricity Regulatory Commission for Manipur and Mizoram, JERC, MNM, IZOL and Manipur Renewable Energy Development Agency, Manireda. Discussions were held regarding the rate of excess electricity to be acquired from the grid-connected rooftop solar power plant, which will be installed in every household. Mention may be made that on 25th July, Manireda released a levelized tariff of 9 rupees 50 paise in 1 kilowatt per hour without subsidy, and with subsidy a rate of 4 rupees 41 paise in 1 kilowatt per hour.
105 megawatt in Manipur ki tok duise kano se solar rooftop se tor matam da generation tor kan da madu mai se daytime da di khuna sina dana grid de pitok we ba generator we ba aduga dungdang dana ai gi kano da gi khoi utility da gi natraga khoi gi power department or kano sing generator sing da gi mai se lokshil sina we aduga ani gi difference se masi kamai tong no pesa se kyam rate karma rate logo da gi have du gi maram da tarif to finalize tong ba खानाबनी ngasi kano se adugi dong tok jo meeting ni adon masi yam phajaba policy ni adugi da ngomi gi na tawsi khoi gi maroina prithvi sida khoi gi kano da khoi gi green energy and clean energy is the base torga tobne ba.
Mayang Imphal Constituency Development Organisation today turned down the allegation of Mayang Imphal Municipal Council Ward Number 3 Councillor W. Janeshwari stating that few men of Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar, who is also the local MLA, opened fire during a fight at Mayang Imphal Anilongbi on September 22. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, Organisation Publicity Secretary Bankim Chandra Chongtham said Councillor W. Janeshwari must produce proof in support of her statement, and in case she is unable to produce proof, she must step down on moral ground. He appealed to the authorities to punish the accused persons involved in the physical assault of Mayang Imphal Club's Coordination Committee General Secretary Mainam Khelendro. Women Welfare Association Anilongbi also turned down the allegation, saying there was no gunfiring on 22nd of September. On the other hand, Mayang Imphal Thana Maning Lekai Yaifa Thorang Nupiluk strongly condemned the assault of Mainam Khelendro.
Coordinating Committee ki General Secretary Purkiba yam maram chade athu matamda maram chana sengtoningi purak leba mi singdubu mamingona kaina panna taktana police ta haijaro phawda police na pharaga thonga na thadok piramba kari marungi thadok imno haibase koi hangning ba wafam amani Janeshwari koi councillor sina minister na nomai round kun kapi siam na police kangu amana saigi BJP ki meeting amabu yawba lakpa miyo khuding phu chai da thugai ye khai gi koi pangai haiba pangchai chai ba kaya ma pangai media da hapase koi yam nuai jate nimitu da minister nomai kakhiba leite mana chapchaba pramana traga madugi evidence piba ngamagadi phare aduga evidence piba ngamdragadi athu matam da mahak moral ground da Mayang Imphal Municipal Council lagi mahak withdraw tabun thui.
Scuffle broke out while distributing rice under National Food Security Act at Hyangthang Ward Number 3 Nauria Pakhang Lakpa Kendra today. Locals have blocked the distribution of the rice. Locals and members of Hyangthang Apunba Maira Paibi went to the residence of ward member Sarangthem Sobita, where distribution of rice was arranged, demanding distribution of cards before distribution of rice. But the distribution was halted as the two sides could not bring about an agreement. Speaking to media persons, Hyangthang Apunba Maira Paibi Look General Secretary Sarangthem Ingninglei warned of untoward incident if the rice is distributed against the consent of the people.
Yeliba Potse, Equigi Lekai, Emadi Kungangiga, Equi Puna Paminaraga Yanaraga, Yanaba Amada, Aqui Inaraga, Madu Yen Bu, Aqui Kanagizi, Hajabaneva. Hate the Yelagaloide, hate the Nampu the Yen to Odani, Haidana, Moina Heta, Toropaduda, Aqui my business, Madudi Yaroi, Haidana, how do we hold me? Aqui Arti Togani, Atubamatam the Catpibu, the Sakung seeing there. He didn't matter to see another Aqui, Hangnabu Honabu, Log the Bazuaroi, Coca the one Bazuaroi. Irawat
Celebration Committee today announced names of various awardees at a press conference held at Irawat Bhavan today. Brajendra Nigomba, ISTV Chief Editor, will be given this year's Thyam Meghachandra Journalist Award. The award, including P. Parejat Ningsing Award, Hijam Achau Sinmi Award, Thokchau Award, Oja Nongthumbam Teacher Award, Khangimbam Gopal Award for Best Blood Donor, were to be presented at the main function on 30 September to be held at Iboyaima Sumangnira Sanglen. The winners of Tribute Song Competition and March Past Competition will also be felicitated on the same day. An ex-serviceman rally was held at Palel on 24th of September, organized by 26 Assam Rifles under the initiative of Headquarter IGAR South. Altogether, 175 veterans and 4 Veer Naris from the district took part in the rally. Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
The first urban cross hatchback, Datsun Radigo with 800cc. Sumnatagi lak aniga lising ni punipan piba car asigi feature singdi ground clearance 185mm, boot space 222 liters, power steering, mileage 25.17 km per liter, immobilizer. Bukto bihoro gari asi ngasi mag showroom da laktuna leire. Test drive kidamak Lexin Birao Island Nissan near Standard Robert High Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal. Datsun Radigo.
Welcome back. You're watching Prime Time English News. Candidates today protested against the non-declaration of results of the entrance test conducted for the admission at Manipur University for the 2016-2017 session. Candidates thronged the Manipur University A block and shouted various slogans like "Declare the results of entrance tests," "Allow admission at Manipur University." Later, 20 candidates were allowed to meet the Vice-Chancellor. Vice-Chancellor assured the candidates that the results of the entrance tests will be declared after the Academic Council meeting on 4th October. It is worth mentioning here that there is controversy over seat reservation at the university, which delayed the July-August 2016 session. All the entrance tests of various departments were concluded by 16th of September. Pension amounts under Manipur Old Age Pension Scheme were distributed to the 927 elders of Sagulban Assembly constituency today. The pension amounts were distributed at two locations, namely Kaisampat Kangwam Lekai Community Hall and Sagulban Bijoy Govinda Community Hall. Elderly persons were given 2,400 rupees individually for 12 months from March 2015 to February 2016. Local MLA R.K. Mo, Social Welfare Department DSO Imphal West and department officials were present today. Oath-taking ceremony of newly elected 20 office bearers of 8th Federal Executive Council 2016-2017 of Pangal Student Organization was held today at Manipur Press Club. The oath-taking ceremony was attended by students and members of Pangal Student Organization. Those who attended the oath-taking ceremony appealed to the newly elected office bearers to carry out their duties with sincerity and dedication as a student and as a citizen of the state. Cultural troupe along with a press team were flagged off by the Lions Club of Imphal Valley from Hapta Kangjibung in Palace Compound today. The cultural troupe with the press team are going to attend the 218th death anniversary observance of Rajashri Bhagyachandra at Radhakund in Mathura district of Uttar Pradesh. The observance is being organized by Rajashri Bhagyachandra Cultural Foundation Manipur from 2nd October till the 4th of October. It is worth mentioning here that Inner Manipur MP Dr. Thokcho Maina, Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam, Commerce and Industries Minister Govindas Konthojum and Arts and Culture Department Commissioner K. Radhakumar will attend the observance. A program and a rally was organized as part of the month-long observation of the 120th birth anniversary of Lamyan Bahijan Irabot at Kaching Sumak Lekai yesterday. The program was organized by Jananeta Irabot Celebration Committee, Kaching. People played floral tributes at the statue of Lamyamba Hijam Irabot at the community center at Kaching Sumak Lekai. Yambem Furniture House, Kaching, Phausupat Lekai honored 120 elders with gifts. CPI members and many locals attended the function. Popular Front of India organized a public meeting under the theme Stop Politics of Hate yesterday at Sora Bazar in Thawal district as part of the month-long national level campaign. The campaign, which began on 1st September, will conclude on 30th of this month. The campaign will end in New Delhi with a mass public meeting. Now some sports news. Junior Asian Bodybuilding Championship silver medalist Washmir Ifam and the first bodybuilder from the Muslim community wants youth of the state to stay healthy. Washmir Ifam won the silver medal in the 50th Asian Bodybuilding Championship in junior category held at Thimphu, capital of Bhutan. 20-year-old Washmir Ifam is the son of Abdul Salam from Urup Awang Lekai. Washmir Ifam stood 5th position in the Junior Mr. India Championship held at Kolkata in December 2015. Speaking to media persons, Washmir Ifam said he wants to bring laurels for the state in national and international arenas as the first bodybuilder from the Muslim community. He said he wants to see a youth strong and healthy. Washmiri Firm is receiving training under Kanglei Park Fitness Center Chief Coach Longjam Boinao for the Mr. World Bodybuilding Championship to be held in Thailand.
Nami gumai gum sumjat pada masa phaba je dum pamje ado pambadagi bodybuilding masana je changak pane atopa community sing na so akhoi gi muslim gai je quran ni tawbani ni sa cha bani haiba je dum taje aduga adugi pot aina adagi kitang chumthokpa ngamgadra haidana bodybuilding keno sida changjaraga ai ikhongang irai kai manipur lairiba nisa da tawraga lairiba mioi singje ai
Chief Coach Longjam Boinao said he is satisfied with the hard work of Washmiri Firm and he is hopeful that he can win a gold medal in the upcoming championship.
Moising Jayda, I Kakizim, the Nataba, Atopa Zimgi, Nursing, Ozazing, Moising Zipu, Moi the motivation, Sanabanasini, Sitokan Sipani, Haiba, Akogi. Jinbu ai jimsi da loi sanwa sana la wai bagi wati natte smai to na ma gum batara la agati ai khoina kamai to na mai tei ga muslim gi marak ta nuksina da kai la ka doino aduna mai tei da lairi ba satra semning ba wasmi bu semjari ba smaina mai tei gi jaga ai tare chi gi jaga ja muslim gi sinau sing na su lak piraga sigum khoi ma sem satra bai lambi da chap min na ta ga di khoi kharma khai di sana khoi gi irang gi lambi je khar phaga tran khal phar apaba society mo era kani khalleba.
In the 15th Sub-Junior State Level Volleyball Tournament, NYVA Naurem defeated AMYC Andro by 3 sets, while IGO Oinam trounced 11 Star Wango 3-1. In another league match, ALYPU Patsoi Part 4 defeated LSA Lilong 3-2, while SUWC Iringbam defeated HYD CCL Haikrujam 3-2, and ATCL Urembam defeated 7 Star Ithai 3-1. The tournament began yesterday at Khumalampang Indoor Stadium under the aegis of All Manipur Volleyball Association. 13 volleyball teams are competing in the tournament. In the match of the 5th Mangsatabam Iboyama and Punyabati Memorial League Cum Knockout Kedrawise Kang Tournament, Oinam Kendra Kangkut thrashed Thongju Kendra Kangkut 22-13. 12 Kangkuts are taking part in the tournament organized by Singjamai Kangkut at Namairapam Mandop Community Hall. Chingamathar. Sixth Kangjam Karnajit Singh Memorial 2nd Division Football League organized by Imphal West District Football Association kicked off at Malom YWC ground today. In the first match played today, YWC Langthabal and MTSU Malom ended in a goalless draw. 6 teams are competing in the tournament. With that is a wrap in this edition of Primetime English News. Before we end, a look at the headlines once again. Chief Election Officer V.K. Devangan says Chief Secretary is examining large-scale recruitment process in various departments. Report to be sent to Chief Election Commissioner soon. Chief Minister is hopeful that people will bring Congress to power yet again in 2017 general election. Attacks NDA government of not fulfilling various promises. Prime Minister's Office and Ministry of Power intervenes on Manipur government's plan to commission Mapithel Dam. Various organizations hail the move. Transport Minister Ratan Kumar says ban on parking is still enforced in market areas. Appeals cooperation from various departments and public to stop illegal parkings. And Transport Commissioner Lakshmi Kumar warns oil pumps that permits will be cancelled in case fuel are given to two-wheeler riders without helmet.